So I am Harsing Tomar and welcome to my podcast. And today we have very special and famous guest, Mr. Khan sir, and he is trending now very much. And he is the teacher who support pure student, and he also open hospitals and institutes which take fees very less, like 200 to 400 rupees. You can complete your MRI and CT scan. And additionally, in education, he is the teacher who can make big and tough concept into super easy model, and you can understand even clearly that if you are not willing to study, then also you can going to learn everything with him. So hello sir, how are you?
I am fine.
So hello sir, today you are very famous and I don't think that you need very much intro about. So my first question is that why did you charge low fees from the student?
Basically, that because I come from very low middle class family, and I can't afford my education when I was a student. So that time I understand the value of the money, and I know in Bihar, in all over the India, there are a lot of people who have the courage to doing something big for his family or for the nation, but he can't afford because of the money. Because right now we all know that in education there are a lot of education company who take a lot of fees about a very low course, but in my mind, when I was not complete my education, I just think that when I in future I will become a teacher and provided a very less fees to the students who can fulfill their dreams. That is the main reason I take very low fees.
So sir, I know about your history that from your childhood you wanted to become an army officer and you wanted to join paramilitary forces, but because of your medical condition, you after you cleared your interview, they remove you because of your hand have some problem. They are not totally stressed. So who suggest you to become a teacher? I know you are not interested to be a teacher, so what make you to become a teacher?
Basically, when I was younger, I have a dream that I want to join a Indian army and to become a soldier for India. But to that time, my medical health was not good, and the team was rejected me in the medical. But after that, I decided that if I want to do something, if that time I decided that I don't want to do anything for myself. If I just want to think about it, I want to become a that person who can do for something for other person. That is the main reason I choose that I want to become a teacher. Because if I become a teacher, so I can provide the good education to the very low middle class people, students, and high every type of students. I can provide the education that help all the peoples or all the students in the India.
Okay, so you know about that you are a Muslim and the image of Muslim in the whole world is not good. If you say you are a Muslim, then whole world is started to see you with different point of view. And so are you going to improve that image, or if yes, so how can you improve and what can you do for it?
Yeah, I know that the what do you ask about Muslim? About that, that is the main reason I am not say anything about the in the favor of Muslim peoples, because there are lot of countries where lot of population is Muslim, but the main thing is that why peoples are saying the Muslim peoples are not good because of the peoples who are living, the peoples of Muslim who are living in India and the Pakistan. The two countries Muslims are destroy all the reputation of the Muslim peoples. When you think about the Saudi Arabia and the east sides, all the like Muslim peoples who have living very peacefully and greatly, don't say anything about anyone. But when I talk about the Pakistan and Indian Muslims, they are just fighting in our country, just fighting for a religion, just fighting for a education and anything else. So yeah, I don't like that thing, because I know that I am not that type of person, and I also want that people give the respect to the Muslim peoples. And if one Muslim doing one certain things, it doesn't mean that all the Muslim peoples are doing same things. So yeah, if I have a chance, I just kill all the Muslim peoples of India and the Pakistan, and after that you see the reputation of the Muslim people all over the world.
Okay, so what about Iran and Iraq? They are also Muslim and they are killing each other. And additionally, what about the Muslim who are in the army or in the government job who don't want it to support terrorism? and what make you different, and what make these Muslim different from the Muslim who are not in support of the Indian army?
Okay. So there are a lot of Muslims people who are joined the armies and all the things, because they are not think about the first religion, because they always think about the first is nation, after that my religion come. But when I talk about our Indian Muslims, and mostly in our northern Muslims peoples, they just think about the religions, they just hate the Hindus, they just hate the all the people's religion, they just hate the festival of the other peoples. And but I always said that in my interview and everywhere, don't hate other religion peoples, because we are living in the same country, and so we want to live in a same type of way. And I know that it is very hard for not for me, for also the nation, to understand all the Muslim peoples.
Okay, so additionally, my most important question is that when you opened your center in Bihar, so many coachings and many people are stand to in against you, and they are saying that shut down your coaching, otherwise I will kill you, and you get many death threats. Additionally, they implant the bombs in front of your coaching center. So is it too much easy in nowadays to open a coaching center in Bihar if you charge that much low fees and become a competitor of other people?
Yeah, it's all about the when in some year ago, like 10 to 20 year ago, when I was start my own coaching on the Patna, Bihar. My only aim is that if I become a teacher, or if I want to start my own education company, so I can provide the very low fees to all the students. My aim is just that is the main reason the other companies and the near of the Patna education, they hate me, because they are taking some high fees, and I take the very less fees. So after that, what will happen, all the students are not going to other coachings, all the students are come on my coachings, so they feel little jealous, and they are just thinking about that if we kill the Khan sir, if we destroy the Khan sir coaching, so we can take the how much money we want to take. Because if I will not take low fees, so we know that if you want to study, so whatever other education companies ask you want to give for your education, you don't have any other option. But that's the main reason I start my company. And I know that time I feel very disappointed, and I feel very lot of pressure. Lot of people give me a threat that they will kill me whenever I go outside my home. But with the help of the government, I start my company, and they give me some safety about that, and that is the main reason I can start my startup very well.
Okay, so my last question is, nowadays you are facing so much trouble in your life, and many people are accusing you, and they are stand against you, that you asked your guards to open fire on the people, and many people are in support with you and many people are against with you. So what do you think, what is the wrong people misunderstand about you in that situation?
Yes, I give the permission to the security guards you want to fire, because there are a lot of people who are fighting outside our coaching and throwing the something on our coaching. That is the main reason I said that to a security guard, you can fire on the air. That is the main reason he hired, because because I don't know what will happen in the next time. Maybe they will beat the security guard. There are a lot of students who are standing outside the coachings. There are very little girls and lot of students. Maybe they can kill the students. So I don't feel any pressure about it. That is the main reason I said. But people take everything in a wrong way, and they did up an FIR against on me on that topics. And but some support me and some against me, because I see when the people's against me, they don't say me I am a Khansar. They are represent my name. And after that, I understand that why the other peoples of India hate the Muslims. That time he don't say anything about he's the Khansar. He doing lot of things for the peoples of Bihar and all over the India. But right now they are just blaming on me why they give the permission to security guard to fire on the air. I just give the permission because I want to handle the situation. I don't have any reason, because there are a lot of peoples around 30 to 50 people who are fighting in front of my coaching, and they are only very 10 to 15 security guard. So I don't have any reason, I don't have any other option. That is the main reason I said that. You can fire, and other people take in a wrong way and did my FIR, but I hire a very good lawyer and he can handle my all the case.
Okay, so another question I'm going to ask that you want to become an army officer and now you are a teacher. Achieve something more better than they wanted to become.
But when I was younger, so my always dream is that I want to become a soldier, and I did lot of hard work for that. I studied lot of, and I every single day I just wake up early and running, because we all know that for become a soldiers I just want to become a run fast. After doing everything, in the end when I was rejected on the medical, that time I feel very disappointed and distracted. That time I got a thought to suicide, because I don't have any other option. What I will do for my family, because I want to become a soldier. But I always say that God will have a different plan for you, whatever you think in your mind. That is the main reason I become a teacher, and I am very happy about that.
Let's come to our last question, that whole Indian media you can watch on TV or a newspaper is against you, because many people say you are exposing them, that they are only support the ruling government every time. And they feel bad, and they got a big target and big opportunity to stay against you. So what do you think, they are really becoming a addictive media who is supporting ruling government, or they are independent?
I know that the media is a paid media, because our rank is around 157 or 155 in all over the world, all the countries. We just see our media represent how they can represent our all India, and because there are lot of things are happen in India. Some where rape are happen, some situation are happen, but the media will not talk about. Media just talk about the how PM Modi give the melody to the Meloni in the Italy. They just talk about that. And there are a lot of things they want to talk about in India. Why they don't talk about the unemployment of students? Why they don't talk about the another things? Why they don't talk about the corruption are happen in every state, every MLA, every politician guy doing corruption in every part of India. They don't say anything about India. That is the main reason I said that the media is the paid media, and all the media are in the favor of our central party. And that is the main reason I said that.
Okay, so nice talk to you with sir. I hope you will grow in life very much more. So thank you.